He does, Gabby. Come on, let's go get him. Gabby, you want to try it again? You want to try it again? Come on, come on. We can't make the same mistake that Daniel made, okay? We're going to try it again. So, as the title says, I strapped a GoPro to a German Shepherd. I got a guard dog German Shepherd, Gabi, over here. She is awesome. And I've done this before in another video. I don't know if I showed a lot of footage of it, but she kind of rolled around. It was raining outside, so she's pretty much stayed on the porch, kind of rolled around a little bit, and kind of knocked the GoPro over. Well, I decided to do it again, try it again, because my good buddy Daniel just did this to his goat Skip. The results, there's like a spider web or something. The results weren't what he was wanting, and you guys need to go check that video out. I feel bad for him, and if I live closer, I will go over there and help him try to find his GoPro. So you might guess the goat took off, came back 3 or 4 hours later with no GoPro, and he cannot find it. Well, my buddy Daniel actually hooked me up with this GoPro, so I better get some use out of it while I still have one before he asks for this one back. So Gabi, so we'll try to hook this up on Gabi. We'll see what the old guard dog comes across. Maybe she won't roll around and knock it off. Let's see what happens. Sit. Come on. Come here. Sit. Come on. See, she's gonna try to shake it. Let's go. Let's go check on the sheep. Come here. Let's go get them. Come on. We'll let her interact with the sheep out here. I gotta go check their water. It's been hot out here in Oklahoma the last few days, so they've been drinking more water than normal. So we'll walk out here and we'll see how she interacts with Steve, my crazy ram Steve. He is mean. He used to not be like that. He used to be pretty nice. Now you gotta watch your back. He'll come up behind you and just nail you. We'll let Gabi in here. Okay. Let's go. Come on. Come on, go get him. What you can do, Steve? What you can do, Steve? Oh, it's wet right there. Oh. They've actually, here comes Steve. But he hits me. He's gonna try. Maybe Gabi will stop him. They've actually got water. Steve is squaring up with Gabi. Steve, you're being a jerk. Steven, what are you doing? Nut. Gabi is running around. You guys are probably wanting to see more of Gabi running around with the GoPro. She's actually kept it on, so she's looking pretty good. I got Rambo over here. Let's go check on Rambo. Oh, maybe he doesn't look like he's doing too well. I don't know what's going on with him. We'll walk over and take a look. He's usually over here by me. Let's see what's going on. You okay, buddy? Are you hot? What's wrong? Here, Gabi. What's wrong? Gabi, get back. Come here. Come on. Hey, you okay? I know you don't answer me. You just hot? Hey. You alright? Come on, Rambo, see if he'll follow us. That's really not like him not to come run over to me, for him to just lay down. That is one thing about sheep. Once you get a sick sheep, sometimes it's hard for them to come back from it. It's just been hot out here. Maybe he's just hot, maybe he's thirsty. Let's see. He's starting to follow me now. He just laying over. That's not normal for him. All the other ones you can see are eating. Let's see, he's eating. So that's a good sign that he's actually trying to eat. We'll have to keep an eye on him for sure. Gabi and Steve are squared up. He's never really been one with the whole flock like you see over there. He's always kind of been a loner. So it doesn't necessarily worry me that he's out here alone, but it was just kind of weird to see him sitting over there not coming to me, because he usually comes to me. He was a bottled baby, so he is way more friendly to us. I could touch it, I could look at his mouth. The other ones I can't get that close unless I'm feeding them grain to be able to check him and stuff. But Rambo there, he usually just comes running right up to me most of the time. But he's walking around eating now, so maybe he's okay. I'll keep an eye on him for the next few days, and I may have to go get some dewormer. It might be time to worm all my sheep again. I haven't wormed them probably in about 3 or 4 months. I try to worm every 4 months, so it's about that time. We're been getting a lot of rain. Parasites could be up and coming, but let's see here. Other than Rambo, they all look really good. That's probably something I'll do this weekend, is go get some dewormer and worm them again. So we'll see. All right, I'm gonna get out of the sheep pen. We'll let Gabi roam around, see if we can get some footage if we're doing something. I'll let Lily out, our little dog, and they'll be rolling around with each other. So hopefully Gabi does not lose the GoPro like Skip did. Geez, Gabi. Come on, Gabs. Where you at? Go, Gabi. Lily, go sit. Come on, Lily, go sit.
Mom, tell them to stay. Hi, Gabs. Hi, Gabs. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Gabi. Hi, Gabi. Why does Gabi have a... Filming? Hi, Gabi. Hi. Yeah, she's filming. Okay, hold on. He just got hair on me. It's him. I don't care. Stop moving on my stuff.
So I hope you guys like Gabi Cam. I've been wanting to do that again for a while, and then seeing Daniel's video with the goat, and they say I'm gonna do it again. I got lucky; she didn't lose it like the goat did. She actually did pretty good this time. So we'll see what other kind of footage I got with her and Lily running around. Probably just them playing, but whatever I showed you guys, hope you guys liked it. If you guys want to see some more Gabi Cam, I'll put it back on her here in a few days or something. Whenever about this time. This is when all the action happens out here on the homesteads, whenever we got coyotes running around and other things. So she's looking for a free meal. She's looking for an egg. Aren't you, Gabi? Aren't you, Gabi? Everyone likes you, Gabi. Everyone loves you. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed Gabi. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you on the next video.